Stephen Pettit, also known as Kryslin on the forums. He made these tools and they're essential. You need them if you're creating anything related to splines. Then you pretty much should have these plugins. So starting here with this video with here tools. So let's see here. Guess I could change for a wireframe again. This is something that I really miss in LightWave, that I can't see the points in wireframe shade. There's no option for that, so I always have to go for wireframe. Anyway, so let's select some polys here. Let's take this one. Contract CP. You'll see it will contract the selection. Expand CP. So already, I mean, only that one, you know, you need this kind of stuff in LightWave, and it should be there by default, but it isn't. So get this plugin. Let's see here. Next CP. Previous CP. Select end. You can see all the ends on all the splines have been selected. And of course, select start. Flatten points. I don't have that much use for it, but for example, this is the z-axis, so say you want to flatten that in maybe the average on the z. Goes like that. So these essential, and you need them. Make here depth of the root, so you saw it kind of started beneath the surface, so that's a good idea. The height of this, well, certainly should be more based on this huge object. Of course, this is way too big. I mean, it should be a tenth of this size, but anyway, for this video we'll leave it at that. So yeah, you can see here that I created these splines. I'm unsure now. Let's see. Let's just have these splines selected, and let's say extrude spline. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thing is, will it, if I click one more time now, will it make it? Yeah. Okay, nice. So yeah, you can keep on going like that. Of course, you should have shortcuts for this. You shouldn't click one time, one more time. Please create shortcuts for this kind of stuff. Can select the curves or the splines, and this spline smooth, it's pretty much what you think it is. It does smooth out the spline. Let's see, let's put that to 5. Oh, it only took 1? Alright. So it does smooth it quite a lot. Another option is to there's this other plugin, EF Toggle Lines, that I've mentioned quite a lot, and you can select that one and then smooth the 2-point poly curve, and it's slightly more accurate. And run that one more time to make it become a spline again. Just an option, mentioning an option for that. Let's see. Well, yeah, straighten spline, I guess that also is self-explanatory. Didn't want to do that, eh? Oh, okay. Well, defined by the start, mid, control point, and the end of the curve? Really? Let's see. This, let's try this then. No. But you know what? There's an option for that, and that is doing this instead, smoothing it up. Well, I guess you'll have to smooth that out like a ton, but yeah, not sure why that didn't run. Trim spline, so just select, usually you can just go like that and delete, and you might want to do that, but this trim spline, you can select this one, for example, and say trim spline. The kind of bad thing about that, I guess, is that it removed this guy here, so in order to fix that, I will have to make this start point start here, so I'll use the regular flip polygons command in LightWave. So the start point is now here. Go back to point mode and say trim spline. Yeah, that's pretty much it for these tools. He made other scripts as well, so hopefully I'll get to cover those later on. But for now, that's it. This is here tools plus contract CP and expense CP. So 2 zip files you'll have to download to get these guys. But very nice and absolutely essential. So please do download them.